Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are working with large video files, doing content production or need ultra-fast mobile storage, today we are comparing two high-end portable SSDs, the SanDisk Pro G40 versus the Samsung T7 Shield. We will break down specs, durability, real-world suitability, and I will show you the current prices for Pakistan so you know what you are getting into. Let's dive. Specs and interfaces. First, interface and performance. The Pro G40 from SanDisk Thunderbolt 3, 40GB per second and USB-C 10GB per second. Reads speeds up to 3000 MB per second and writes approximately 2500 MB per second when used over Thunderbolt. The Samsung T7 Shield uses USB-C, USB 3.2 Gen 2, approximately 10 GB per second, achieving up to around 1050 MB per second read and approximately 1000 MB per second write. If your laptop has a Thunderbolt or USB 4 port, the Pro G40 lets you unlock that extra speed. But if you only have standard USB-C, the T7 Shield still gives you great performance for its class, durability and use case. Next up, build and durability. The Pro G40 is rugged, IP68 dust and water resistance, 3-meter drop protection, crush resistance 4000 pound. The T7 Shield also brings rugged features, IP65 rating, rubberized chassis, drop resistance approximately 3 meters, use case nuance. If you are content creator, editing 4K by 8K footage, working on set, moving large RAW files, the Pro G40 gives you professional grade edge. If you are doing backups, 1080p by 4K editing sometimes, or simply value rugged portability, the T7 Shield gives value. Price in Pakistan plus recommendation. Now for pricing in Pakistan, approximate. Samsung T7 Shield 1TB, 37,999 Pakistani rupees. SanDisk Pro G40 1TB around $185 USD internationally, may cost higher locally due to import duties. So if budget is the key factor, go with the T7 Shield. If you have a Thunderbolt port and demand top performance and ruggedness and are willing to pay more, the Pro G40 is the premium pick. Who should pick which and final thoughts? Here is a quick summary. Pick Pro G40 if you have Thunderbolt or USB 4 port, handle large projects, need ultra-fast transfers and durability. Pick T7 Shield if you have USB-C only, want strong performance at lower cost, and travel often. Using Pro G40 via USB-C only won't reach Thunderbolt speeds, you might pay premium without full benefit. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment below which SSD are you leaning toward and why. I'll put updated links and prices in description. Stay creative, stay productive.